So takeoff procedures checklist, we're going to be doing lights, checking all the lights are on, camera, verifying we're on the right frequency, we have the practice here on standby and the ATIS, and action. We're going to verify that final's clear. As you can see, it was not clear. There was an airplane coming into land. Also verifying that the runway is clear. So just waiting for them to get off the runway, and then action is when we're going to put mixture full rich. But we won't do that until we're actually going to be about to enter. So just announcing on the CTAP that I'm about to enter the runway, and then we're going to be doing lights, camera, action. Mixture rich, verifying finals clear, verifying runways clear, and then I could enter the runway. And I'm just adding a little bit of power to get some momentum, and I'm following that center line, and also looking on the pavement, the surface paint that I actually see runway 24, that I'm actually verifying I'm on the correct runway. I'm at center line, so now I'm going to add power full slowly. 1, 2, 3. There goes full power. Verifying my airspeed's alive. Keeping my eyes outside. Verifying oil pressure, oil temperature is the green. Keeping my eyes outside. And then again looking for my VR, which is 50. I reached that. Sorry, I was just taking stuff off the top. And bringing that, smoothly applying back pressure. And climbing out at my target airspeed of 67, which is about 65 if you look on the airspeed indicator. But again, throughout this whole time, I'm just constantly keeping my eyes outside, 90% outside, 10% just verifying with the instruments. And now I'm on the upwind. And if you look over there, we're going to turn crosswind soon. Do you see that road and how there's kind of a construction area? My friend's zooming in on it right there. That at cable is where you want to turn crosswind. You don't want to turn until we're crossing that road right here. That's directly to the left. And we're going to be crossing over towards the construction area. So I verified clear on the left, and now I'm adding some yoke, no more than 30 degrees in the traffic pattern, and then I'm smoothly rolling out, so that way when I look over to my left, I'm abeam the runway, and it's a nice rectangular shape. So now I'm going to make a position report again. Cable traffic, Cessna 6357 Quebec, left crosswind for a straight out departure, or for a northbound departure, cable. And we're going to go over how to make proper radio communications later too. So now I verified clear on the left, and now I'm turning no more than 30 degrees again to the downwind. And during this, I'm also climbing still. And I don't want to climb above 2,300 because we have Ontario's airspace above us. So we don't want to go more than 2,300. So I'm just pitching, power, and trim so I can remain at 2,300 on the downwind. So I'm on the downwind, and now look over at the numbers. I'm turning technically base, but I'm actually doing a northbound departure over the numbers. So here I would make my position report, cable traffic, Cessna 57 Quebec, over the numbers for a northbound departure, cable. And then I'm just continuing to fly northbound over the numbers, and once I'm over the numbers, I'm going to go towards the dam, which here you can see my hand pointing over towards the dam. You want to depart northbound towards the dam, which is directly ahead, and then once you're over the 210 freeway, then that's when you could start turning towards the left or right, wherever you want to go.